Hey, what's going on? Thank you for tuning into another What's in the Box product review. Today I have some gun cleaner and lube from Riptide Armory. I've only put in maybe 100 rounds through my firearm so far, so it don't need to be clean, but why not clean it, oil it, stuff like that. So let me show you what came in the pack. Get a sticker, business card, spray nozzle, a applicator, and then right here you get the advanced gun cleaner, the 4-ounce bottle, and the advanced CLP plus graphite infused for also 4-ounce bottle. So this is the lubrication, this is the gun cleaner. I'm interested to see how it works. I will put the link and the price, the link down below, and the price of how much I pay for this. This is veteran owned and operated. So, you know, if you guys are into that stuff, you know, there you go. But I'll be back. Let me get set up, and then we'll get to clean, see what it look like. Weapon is empty. Nothing in there, nothing in the chamber. Then you just have your lower, you have your slide. There's a little dirt here. You see a little dirt, like I said. I didn't shoot that much, but shot some. But we're gonna be spraying inside here, get some lube on there, lubing up these 2 points and these 2 points right here. I'm going to spray this all down. I'm going to break it down a little bit more. I'm going to put some lube in here as well. So I'm going to take out the recoil spring. Alright, the barrel comes out like that, and there you go. I should have showed you the dirt that was on there beforehand, but okay. Wow. Stuff. Alright, that seems pretty clean, so I'm going to do some lubing. I'm going to put it where there's metal to metal contact, like I said. Just a little drop on some of these parts where they seem to be moving. This comes out pretty fast, so you don't need much from what I understand. Put the barrel in, spring, right back on. So, there you go. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks.